Hello, friend. Welcome back. I hope you are well. In this section, we will discuss about our setting page. How does our setting page looks like? And so you just click it, but it will nothing to show. I hope that because we don't make any route, don't make it any function. Okay, so go to our VS Code. In our code editor, I just remove of others file better web.php not needed any master. Here we already making a route setting. So better we make our setting function. Okay, public function setting return view backend instructor file dot setting. Okay, now our setting page is a index page, and here is my setting page. So all of these things are same, just copy and paste. Here user profile, user not profile, user setting, the settings. Make a spelling mistake here. Yeah. So from it will be method will be post, but I talk later in this functionality. So better not full name. It will be current password name. Input type will be password. Name will be password. Password not needed any value actually. Placeholder. Enter your current password. Not need mail and others is file is not needed actually. We just move to keep some delete here. Mail profile image not input type photo. It's not required our okay. Current password. So new password. New password. That's it. Enter your new password and also confirm password. Okay. Name password. New password confirmation. It's not a problem actually. New password confirmation. Confirm password. Okay. So go to our browser. Okay, don't worry. Just once again, yes, it will become and current password, new password, and confirm password will be coming, but no placeholder will be shown in here. Okay. Hello. It will create. I will create a mistake and not a look at that. The placeholder spelling is missing. Place holder, not holder. This will be holder. Now go to a browser. Just take reload. and here it will work. Placeholder is comes. So the next section will be covered when image is uploading here, and this image is shown here and this here. Okay. So thanks for you guys. So let's see for our next section. Thank you.